My name is Zach Carlson, President of Stumpers Off-road Jeep Club. I am an active duty Marine at Marine Corps Air Ground Combat Center 29 Palms. My Jeep is a 2002 Wrangler. It is lifted 4 inches on 33-inch tires, locked front and rear. Right now I have a baby on the way, but hopefully shortly, if my wife lets me, I intend to go up to 40-inch tires on 1-ton axles with 3-link in the front and 4-link rear on coilovers. When I first arrived at 29 Palms at the Marine Corps, I purchased my Jeep Wrangler. And then after a year of wheeling with Stumpers Off-road, I was promoted to president. Since initially meeting Corey and Shiloh, our relationship has grown as wheelers. We go out almost every weekend and break stuff or tear stuff up, and it's just a good time because they're the guys that put it back together for me.